wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. War with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every street. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite thirsty. I'm toxic, psychotic, but there's logic, can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a voice of neurotic and chaotic. To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like...
Alright guys, check it out. I just made it out to XRP, and you got King R-Tunes that have a truck event. This truck event is bringing a lot of people here, and they have a particular class that's a 530 class. So I'm going to turn the Black Ghost down to run in this 530 class. It's an index class. They will not light up the board, so those people that do like the no time racing, which I may get into that, it still makes it where you can no time race or you can grudge race because the boards were not lit up. So that's very important. I don't get it, man. Look, people make this big deal about don't show your time. Man, people know how fast your car is going, bro. They know how fast your car is. If you running next to me and I run a 5.2 and I'm right there on your bumper, I know how fast your car was going. You know what I'm saying? You was running a 5.150 or something. I understand what's going on. Plus you got people that sit in the bleachers and they'll just time your car. Hit the stopwatch. There you go. And then I heard that they got an app that you can take a video, put it on there, and it'll tell you how many seconds it took the car to get from this point of the video to that point of the video. So I don't get this about the no time grudge world. I mean, I believe people already know what your car is running when it comes to grudging. The thing is with grudge races that they can turn their car up and they can turn their car down. But anyway, I want to race some of the grudge races out there, so I can't show my times, but I can run in this 530 class just so long as they don't light the boards up. That's the thing with the grudge races. You can run in the index class, but you can't light the boards up. And if you get caught with the boards lit up on you within a year, then they ban you from any no time or grudge race events. Anyway, guys, the crowd is big. It's gonna be a lot of cars here. I took the 315s off. I'm gonna run the 28. My tuner, Dwayne Biddle from Biddle Motorsports. Dwayne Biddle is a beast on the keyboards, and he's a beast drag racing also. So he knows what it takes to get the car down the track. He preferred a tune on 28s. 28s is a smaller tire. It's less rotational weight, so therefore it frees up more horsepower. That's one thing that Rod Hessel used to tell me back in the day. He would always run the smallest tire that he could run. Actually, a smaller tire gives you a little bit more stability because there's not that much patch on the ground. Anyway, we're gonna try to make these 28s work. I'm kind of leery about them because I run the 315s. It's cold outside, means the track probably not as sticky as it generally is, but that's where a guy like Dwayne Biddle comes in. And I'm running turbos. Turbos, you can turn down the boost. With the supercharger, they could only mess with the timing. By turning down the boost, it makes it easier to control. And XRP is known for a great sticky track. It is like one of the best track in America, period. Anyway, I'm Demonology. I'm gonna get out here and we're gonna run these Mickey Thompson ET Street Pros 28 or 275 in a 5.3 index race. We're gonna put this race together.
Let me tell you something. You heard of chapstick?
Can you bring me my chapstick?
No, Napoleon.
But my lips hurt real bad.
God damn, where you are?
Look at this man's lips.
Come on, man.
Hey, we gonna run or what?
We gonna run.
Are you gonna walk around and say your car's overheating?
No, my car ain't. No, that's you. That's you.
Lock in 500.
I ain't got $500 credit.
How much you got?
200.
200. If 200. Whoever doesn't run today has to pay 100.
Nah, who driving your car?
You ain't shaking.
Okay, but I got me a driver too.
It's alright, it don't matter.
Yeah, okay.
It's a race about the cars, not the Octane 200 today. Grudge race. If my car breaks and I don't make it,
Is this
yeah. If your truck breaks and I don't make it, I pay you 100.
Okay,
if your car don't make it, Yeah.
No, if I don't make it, I pay you 100.
Yeah.
If you don't make it, you pay me 200.
No. What?
Stop it! Don't try to play me.
We gonna try to turn it up.
Don't, hey, you can't play Papi Chulo. Come on, you know how Papi Negro do it. So let's see who we're gonna be racing first. I heard his nickname was Mr. Talk a Lot.
I'm Trey Oliver. It's my 91 Mustang. She racing little gangsters trying to have some fun.
Okay, so tell us about your Mustang.
Man, it's just a stock suspension car. Got power windows, power locks, got all the stuff. We're just out here trying to have fun. That's it.
All right, brother. All right. I see y'all try to hustle me for some money already. Remember, you want to roll the windows up for the burnout so don't put too much smoke in the car. On the race, you know, I had to try to bring in the big hitter, so I brought my kid Pokey in to let him drive for me.
It was a good race, you know, me looking at the car, getting the feel of it and everything, and making sure that I wasn't gonna go red. And when I let go, and I was like, oh, okay, it's going pretty good. So I'm glancing at the gauges and I'm looking, I said, well, I don't see him. And I said, well, hell, I ain't breaking out. We got the right tune up, and I lifted, and I didn't see the scoreboard coming. I was like, him.
I said the same thing when I left. He was just gone. I was like, oh no, here we go. And we're buying back in today, another first round exit.
yeah, but this was my first time in the heads up 530 deal, so.
Yeah, we're gonna buy back in. I gotta buy back in because this is the first time he drove the car, so.
Yeah.
So we ought to be okay.
Yeah.
Good luck, you need to win it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This car's badass, man. So,
Thank you,
it's
brother.
definitely intimidating seeing all this stuff coming out the hood. I'm like, woo, here we go. Well, good luck, guys.
Yes, sir. Take care, brother.
Yes, sir.
Bet against me. Hey man, give me my money. Oh, hell no. Yeah, right now. Hey, what happened to your truck? Like he put through?
Yeah, I pushed through. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, all right, brother.
Boy? No, that's the trans brake is on the shifter. So I think what happened, well, I know what happened, but I think the reason why it happened was because on the bump, the truck rocks, the trans brake is on the shifter. I'm putting pressure on the shifter for the trans brake button. And when it rocked, I think it made me push the shifter into second gear. The trans brake doesn't hold in second gear, so that's why it pushed through. It wasn't too much bump, it wasn't any of that. It's just when it bumped, it threw me forward and it went into second gear. Sucks. I've never had that happen, but it's racing. Anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Too high because he knows.
Yeah, he will spin.
And he's going to go to the moon.
Yeah.
He's going to go to the moon. That suspension's too soft.
We Spending $200, guys.
Hey boy, Herman's over there icing it down, moving all kinds of tunes.
Oh, he's trying to beat us.
Yeah. Hey, does he have it up in the air messing with the suspension?
Nope.
Okay.
He's over with.
We're good.
Oh, with his head.
Going to the moon.
I'm gonna call it right now.
We gonna take his soul. We gonna snatch his soul.
I'm gonna call it right now. If he doesn't touch that suspension based off his last pass and he turns it up, he's gonna wheelie.
Damn it,
Call it
boy.
right now. He's gonna wheelie that off.
100%.
Sit your $5 ass down before I make change.
This thing right here is gonna whoop your ass.
Yeah, it ain't gonna whoop my ass with them pushing it. God dang.
They pushing your motherfucking car too, look.
No, my car don't have to be pushed. Remember that time me and Earl whooped your ass and you bowed out and didn't want to race? And we beat Triple P. We beat everybody. You remember the Hoonigans event?
You driving for him today?
You remember the Hoonigans event? Where's Triple P at?
He didn't come, he didn't show up to this one.
Hey man, tell me about the King Cobra. What's the make? What's the make this so? Yeah, shut up, man. Stop it. Look at this mess. This ain't no Eco Boost. Yeah. Man, what is this? Hey man, y'all got the Scarecrow driving the damn car. Hey, Scarecrow, tell me about this. Tell me about this King Cobra. Tell me about it.
It's the King Cobra, everybody knows it. Coyote, twin 64 66s, little baby turbos, and then with turbo on it, basic.
Y'all ain't got no nitrous on it?
Hey, we gotta wait to turn down. So you
Get on, Freddy. Get out of here.
Turn it up.
No, we can bet some you that.
Negative.
We can bet some you daddy.
I bet money. No.
We ain't gonna bet no you daddy.
No, you daddies. I want you to call me daddy.
Hey, young fella, you on the wrong team. If you was on my team, you wouldn't have to be on your knees like that. You on the wrong team. They got you on your knees. No Diddy though. Freddy brought him in a driver, so I had to get me a driver.
You ain't ready for this.
Boy, you ain't just.
I already got dumbass.
Stop it. You ain't gonna never get me. You ain't gonna never get me.
Your buddy now.
You ain't gonna never get me.
About that.
Hey man, you know Poppy Negro don't do that.
Man, that's just sticky water.
Hey, it ain't leaking no water. What's your mouth? That's your car over there with this silly putty on it to hold it together. Yeah. I'm telling you, you're on the wrong team.
We're gonna find out.
You need to drop that zero. Give it the zero. Come on. Hey man, I'm trying to tell him he on the wrong team, Freddy. He on the wrong.
He on the right team.
He need to be on the winning team.
This is the winning team.
He don't need to be with the Poyos.
I'm gonna come get your soul.
Come on back. I mean, Houston. Come on back.
I don't know what the fuck happened there,
Come on,
but
you know what happened.
figure it out.
You know what happened.
Houston has a problem.
Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, I got some money. God damn, I don't know what the fuck happened.
He's spanking them damn GTRs. The thing about it is that my other son, Dan Rue, he tried to get me from a roll. You know I don't roll. I had to reset the car up to do it on the roll. You understand what I'm saying? I race from a dig. So he said he was gonna build a dig car so I could dig, but he don't dig it. So you tell my other son, get you a dig car. We'll race from a dig, Danny Boy Root.
There we go. Demonology.
Who wants some money? That was me driving the car. I'm so fast, I came back down here to do an interview. Yes, I did. I drove the car. Who won some money? Who lost some money?
I did. I lost that bad.
What?
Fucking red light shit. I lost that bad, my boy. No, he had
You lost? You lost?
Hell no.
You lost? Oh,
you
won? Thank you. I know you weren't gonna bet against me. Goddamn, I'm finna start crying if you bet against me.
Look. They see that red light and say, I love that guy. I was like,
Funk it down. Funk it down. Did you win some money? Did you lose? Did you bet on my race? You bet against me again.
Man, I didn't know that truck was
Funk it down.
Hey, I'm deep.
Funk it down. Funk it down. Funk it down. Them turbos ain't playing.
I'm gonna tell you what I did.
Talk to me.
I got 2-1 odds with you and bet straight up on this side. I still won.
There you go.
But
Funk
I
it
bet
down.
both ways.
There you go. You got it. Funk it down. You got it. I took money from my boy Freddie. He's a good kid. He paid up. So I'm gonna go home with a little cash. Take my wife out to eat. Hey, good race. Hey, good race. Good race.
Hey, we come out here to race.
Hey man, y'all don't
We're
want
not
me
always
problem.
gonna lose. I mean, we're not always gonna win. We're not always gonna lose either. You better watch out because we're coming back stronger. Watch.
Maybe we should do an event together.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I want the real velocity though. I want you to bring your car.
We're happy with it, but we gotta go back and change it up and bring it back a little bit stronger, right, boy? Yeah. A lot stronger. A lot stronger.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.